So, what was the cost of this project? How much would it cost in your country? If you add up all the materials, not including labour, because my labour is free, how much would you have spent in your country to do this project from start to finish? I'll give you the answer of what I spent at the end of the video. So let's start with the first phase, which was the concrete posts. So I think the posts were, about 350 baht each, roughly. Can't remember exactly, but what I spent altogether for the posts, the sand, the stone, the cement was 2,350 baht. The next step was the roof. I spent 1,600 baht on the roof tiles. I spent 1,100 on the timber. Then I had the roof edgings, some fixings, fascia boards, and I did have to buy 5 extra tiles from Boyai, which were double the price, but it saved me travelling all the way back to Chayapum. So for the roof, total cost was 4,600 baht. And then the next step was the concrete base. So for the stone, the reinforcing, the cement and sand, total for that came to 2,500 baht. And then the next stage was the block work. So the blocks I paid 6.25 baht each. They added it. Normally you can get them for 6 baht, but this builder shop near me, they charge 6.25 each. And I bought 150 blocks, which was just right. I think I ended up with maybe 15 blocks extra. So for the block work, sand, cement, screws, plugs, brackets, and I had to buy 2 lintels, and I had to buy a small window. That came to 3,500 baht. So let's go to the inside, see what I spent on the inside. So the money I spent on fixing it up inside, the first thing I bought was some 4x2 timber. I bought 10 lengths of 2.5 meters, and I used 9 of them. And that was 920 baht. Another thing I bought is this chest of drawers. This is second hand. These drawers, decent quality. They're from Japan, and they cost 1,350 baht. So not a bad price. Next, I spent 580 baht on an 8x4 sheet of this, which I used for the worktop, and a shelf down here. And I've got a little bit left over for another shelf. So that's 580 baht. What else did I buy? I bought these lights. So I bought 2 fluorescent lights, and for the wiring I had to buy a 20-meter roll. That's the smallest size they had. So got lots to spare, but it will get used in the future, so I'm not too worried about that. So for the lighting, I spent a total of 850 baht for the lighting. I bought some brackets. I spent about 360 baht on brackets. I've got small brackets down here which I haven't put up yet, but I will be putting it up in the future. What else did I spend? Well, for the paint was free because it's left over from my previous job. But I did buy some yellow paint for the outside because I'd run out of yellow paint. So I spent 820 baht on the paint. So you could say it would have cost maybe about 820 baht to paint internally here. So the total cost for everything internal was 4,800 baht. So that is the cost I spent to do this complete project. So what is that total? What do you think? Well, in Thai baht, that totals 17,600 baht. 17,600 baht, which equates to 415 pounds or 545 US dollars. So British pounds, 415 US dollars, 545. So could you have done that in your country for that price? I don't think so. So I'm happy with the final product. It came out very well, and I'm looking forward to my next project. So keep a look out for my next video. Make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss it, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.